Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks from Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so guys, the way to the world today brings some special beautiful crochet fingerless glove design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, mind-blowing ideas, beautiful pattern, fabulous crocheting work, most wearing collection, most likely collection. Very nice, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Very nice, hopefully like this. Very nice, beautiful pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.